So in today's lecture, we'll study function overloading. Function overloading means to overload a function with different tasks, but it will have the same name. You can see here the function name is area, area. There are three functions defined with the same name area, but with different list of arguments. In the first one, it contains only one argument. In the second function, it contains two arguments. And in the third one, it contains three arguments. Two arguments, but with different data type as that of integer. Here it contains arguments with type int. Here it contains arguments with type double. So you can see there are three functions with different list of arguments or with different type. This concept is called function overloading. That means we have overloaded a function with different tasks by changing the number of parameters. So how we'll call it, you can see from the main function. First, see the concept. The first function will compute area of a square, side square. The second one will compute area of a rectangle, L into B, that means length into breadth. And the third one will compute area of a triangle, half B into H. So it contains division, therefore its type is float or double, because the answer will be a floating point number. That's why we have set the type as double. Now we are going to call these three functions in the main function. See how to call them. Here in the main function, cout, I told you in C++ we'll use cout for printing and cin for input. Cout for output and cin for input. In cout, we use these symbols. This is called extraction operator. And this, like less than symbol twice, this is called insertion operator. Fine. So this is used for input and this is used for output. So we are calling a function from here, cout area 20. It will take only one argument and the control will go to the function definition. Over here, over to the call, it will jump over here and compute 20 into 20. That means 400. And in the next call, then its answer will be returned and will be inserted back over here and will display cout 400. Cout will display the value 400. Then next call will be placed, second call, with two arguments, 8, 7. It checks for the definition which it matches the most, it jump over there. Now area 8, 7, both are integer values, so it will jump to the area function, this one, return L into B. So 8 into 7, answer will be returned over here, 56. And in the third case, area 10.5, 15.7. So these are double numbers, or you can say floating point numbers. So the control will go to this third function and will compute the area accordingly, and the result will be get back and will be printed over here. So this is how we can call functions by using function overloading. It's a very important and new concept in C++, which was not in C. So let's see the output once. I'm going to execute it. Let me show you the screen. This is the output screen. You can see 400, 56, and this is area of triangle. This is area of square, rectangle, and triangle. So by using the same function name area, but with different arguments, it computed, that was B into H, B and H. Fine, it computed area of three different shapes. So it's very simple, but it is very convenient and important to use.